Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Wassalatu Wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 9b, in which we will learn Arabic grammar for feminine gender forms, plus 18 dialogues of spoken Arabic. From the first lesson till the end of this one, we have covered 36 words which occur almost 10,000 times in the Quran. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take the first word. You know huwa means he. Then hiya will be she. The TPI sign for feminine gender forms are shown using left hand without any intent of discrimination. So when you say hiya, use your left hand and point to your left and then say hiya. Huwa with your right hand, hiya with your left hand. Huwa, he, hiya, she. Now let's take one of the rules to make feminine forms for a given noun. You must have heard so many Muslim names such as Shakir, Shakira, Abid, Abida, Khalid, Khalida, and there lies the rule. Just add the round ta at the end. So if you have Muslim, you have to say Muslimatun. So if you have Muslimun, the feminine form will be Muslimatun. But if we stop, we don't say Muslimatun, we just say Muslimah. So for Muslim, it will be Muslimah. Mu'min, Mu'minah. Salih, Salihah. And so on. Can you give me feminine forms of these sentences using TPI? Huwa Muslim.
Hiya Muslimah.
Huwa Mu'min.
Hiya Mu'minah.
Huwa Salih.
Hiya Salihah.
MashaAllah. Let's take another word. Hada means this for masculine forms. Hadihi will be this for feminine forms. Hada, hadihi. So can you give me feminine forms of these sentences using TPI? Hada Muslim.
Hadihi Muslimah.
Hada Mu'min.
Hadihi Mu'minah.
Hada Salih.
Hadihi Salihah.
Let's take another word. Rabbuhu means his Rabb. Rabbuha will be her Rabb. Similarly, Deenuhu, his deen. Deenuha, her deen. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuha, her book. Can you answer this now? Man Rabbuha?
Rabbuha Allah.
Ma Deenuha?
Dinuha al-Islam.
Ma Kitabuha?
Kitabuha al-Quran.
MashaAllah. And lastly, let us learn how to make plurals of feminine nouns. You just have to replace the round ta at the end with at. For example, Muslimah, Muslimat, Mu'minah, Mu'minat, Salihah, Salihat. MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.